Hey love, my name is Lucy May, but you can call me Lou if that's what you want to do, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a all drugstore makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey love, so by the title, we're doing a drugstore look. I wanted to do a drugstore look because everything is so fucking expensive. So still trying to give y'all the looks without breaking the pocket. Dang, you can't even see it. Well, I got my Pride shirt on. Happy Pride. And I just want to take this time out to say that if you are struggling with your sexuality, or if you're just feeling depressed or suicidal, there are hotlines that you can call. I will leave one down in the description bar, and I will leave one on the screen so that you can get help, because it's okay to be who you are. I firmly stand by that. So starting off, of course, y'all know I always start off with my eyes. But I think today, you know what? Do I want to do my brows first? I'm gonna just do it how I normally do it, because clearly I'm doing too much. So we're gonna start off with the eyes. Already my eyes are primed. I use my NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone. What else is new? That's the only thing that I use. So now we're gonna jump into the eyes. So let me zoom y'all in a little bit. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution and collab with Patricia Bright palette. This is the Rich in Life palette. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution because I was in CVS the other day, and guess what? Makeup Revolution was in there. I don't know where I've been, what rock I was under. I didn't even know they sold Makeup Revolution in CVS. So if it's in CVS, it's considered drugstore. Now this palette specifically may not be in there, but they have Revolution in CVS. This is what it looks like. So y'all know I got my Pride shirt on, so I just want to do like browns and like creams and stuff like that, because it's already a lot going on the shirt. So the first shade I'm gonna use is Irreplaceable, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna just put that in the crease. That was for the crease. So now for the lid color, which is gonna be another brown color, I'm going to take Brown Sugar, which is like this medium brown right here. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna put that like half of my eye. I got this candle burning from Bath and Body Works. Smell. It is what is it? I think it's like, no, it's not mahogany. Ah, that's hot. Oh, it is. It's mahogany and coconut. It just smells so good. So I'm gonna just pat this on, and we'll go to the outer corner, and then just pat this on. This Brown Sugar color is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take that same brush that I applied that Brown Sugar shade with, and I'm gonna just diffuse the edges right here, because we are going to add like a cream color to go in the inner third of the eye right here. So I just diffuse those edges, so that way when I put the cream on, it's not like a harsh line. It's just everything is going to fuse together. For that inner corner cream color, I'm going to do Natural Glam, which is this shade. It's kind of like a yellowy shade, and there it is. There it is. Okay, this is cute. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that shade Irreplaceable, and I'm gonna just go in my crease and just define it a little bit more. Just a little bit. Next, I'll be applying the NYX vinyl liquid liner in the shade Noir, and I'm going to put on some lashes using the duo glue with the pink writing, the E.l.f Extreme Mascara by Essence, and my lashes are Kiss Lashes I Envy Collection in Extreme 3D 45. It's the lashes for me. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my brows. Every time I do a video, it's somebody on a bike, or it's somebody, like, it's all this noise and commotion outside, and I just really don't understand. Like, every time, like, it's always action outside when I decide I want to film a video. Why? So for my brows, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill, and this is in the color Dark Brunette, and I'm going to just do my brows how I normally do them. Nothing new and nothing special. I'm feeling these brows though. These brows look good. And this color is really dark, but it's not too dark, because sometimes I don't like when my brows look real dark and then it's like angry brows. I don't like that. Okay, boom. Eyebrows is done. So now we're gonna move on to the face, and let me zoom y'all out. For primer, I'm gonna use the E.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Jeez. I'm gonna put some of this on my face. This is really good if you have dry skin. This is really hydrating. This is gonna make your makeup last, because your makeup has something to stick to. And then I'm gonna just press this into the skin. Next is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange Corrector. If you watch my videos, you know I use this under my eyes, only in the corners right here. Boom. Boom. Because what this is going to do is cancel out that redness. I mean, not redness. It's going to cancel out the darkness under my eyes. And so when I put my concealer on, everything is going to look bright. Nothing's going to look like discolored or anything. And as you saw, I only put it in the corners just a little bit, because that is like a really intense orange, and I'm just going to take a concealer brush and blend it out. But you don't want to blend it out too much. Now for foundation. Okay, I just had a moment. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup in the color W7. Love this. This is one of like the best drugstore foundations that I've ever used. Like, it's my top 5. It's so good. And I'm just gonna dot this on my face. And their shade range of this is ridiculous. They got warm shades, cool shades, and they have I don't remember what it's called though, but it's like the shades that are like in the middle. I'm gonna take a brush to blend it out. Moving on to concealer, this is the Super Stay Active Wear by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 27. This is new. I'm a little scared because I never tried this before, and I'm just on camera like I know what this is going to give, and I really don't, because it's my first time. So I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. I'm going to let this sit for like 2-3 seconds, and then I'm going to blend it out with a brush. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, it's blending out really well, but like the formula is weird. And the reason why I say that is because you can see it has coverage, but when it goes on, it's light. Like, it's really light. That's why I'm like, I don't know how I feel about this. But it's got nice coverage. So we'll see. Okay, to set my under eye, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm in light medium 20. If you don't have this powder, you need it. I'm one of those people, I don't get caught up in the hype. When all the girlies was using this, I'm like, let me try that. It's worth the hype. I'm telling you, it's worth the hype. You need this. I'm gonna go in with a brush and I'm gonna set my under eye and my forehead. Snatched. And thanks to that corrector, it's just one color under there. Now that that's done, we're going to move on to contour. So for contour, I'm gonna use the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. I'm going to use a brush because that's what I do. I can't find none of the brushes I want to use today. I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I'm gonna contour my cheekbones on the side of my face, and I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna also go on the jawline too. I always contour my face because it gives your face structure and it gives your face dimension. Because when you put foundation on your face, it's just flat. It's no, you get what I'm saying? When you contour, it's gonna give you that structure that you're looking for. For bronzer, I'm gonna use two bronzers. The first bronzer is this Revolution and Patricia Bright face palette. In it, it has the blush, the bronzer, and the highlight. I'm going to use the bronzer, which is this in the middle. Let me get one of my big brushes, my fluffy brushes. So bronzer adds warmth to the face. Contour adds dimension. Bronzer adds warmth. Let me get my hair back together because I look crazy. Okay. Now my second bronzer, this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. This is a shimmery bronzer. The first one I used was matte. This one is a shimmer. So this is going to give me that glow and that kind of like sun-kissed kind of look. And this is so perfect for the summertime. I love shimmery bronzers. They just, Look. I don't even have, this is without the highlight. I'm gonna just swirl this around. Look. So cute. So cute. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna use a fan favorite. This is the Milani Luminoso. And you know, Luminoso is supposed to be like a peachy kind of color. But if I'm not mistaken, the last time I used this, it didn't give me that. I was looking real pink. So we're gonna try this again. Okay, Luminoso is not, it's giving me shimmer that I don't need. So we're gonna do another one. I'm gonna use this NYX Double Dare blush. It's like this peachy kind of color, this peachy orange. I'm only gonna use a little bit of this because this is very pigmented. Look, you see that? Ooh. That orange, yes ma'am. Oh, child, look, I didn't put too much. I just told y'all not to put too much, and then I just put too much. That's what I'm saying, it's very pigmented. I was just trying to get flushed on the nose, and I took it too far. And then I just did a little bit on the nose to give me that like flushed, rosy kind of look. We are almost done. So I'm gonna leave my bottom lashes bare because I like how that looks. For highlight, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in Precious Petals, and I'm gonna highlight my face with this fan brush. I can tell this highlight is really gonna like amp it up. I'm not gonna use too much on the cheeks because we really not gonna need it because all of that shimmery bronzer that I just used. I'm gonna Cupid's bow, and this is what we gonna do. I'm gonna take some of this Precious Petals, and we gonna put this in the inner corners of the eyes, and I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. For the lips, I'm gonna do something neutral. For lip liner, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner and Keep It Spicy. For lips, I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Sandstorm. This takes a little while to dry down, so we're gonna dry this down. For gloss, I'm gonna use this E.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is in the shade Champagne Glam. Last but not least is setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Mix. I consider this drugstore because, you know, when you go to Ulta, it's on the side with all the drugstore stuff, so it's drugstore. Then I'm just use my fan to fan it down. Okay, loves, this is the final look. I really like how this came out because at first I was like, I don't know, but it looks really good. This would be really good for a everyday look, like these colors, because it's not too much. Like you could wear this every day, but the lashes, of course not. The lashes is just doing too much for every day. But if you tone down the lashes and then tone this down just a little bit, this will be real cute for every day. This is the final look. Don't forget to check the description box below for everything I used in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.